Ever wondered what the healthiest foods are from A to Z? Stick around because we're about to take you on a delicious journey through the alphabet of nutrition. Apple improves bone health, treats asthma, prevents lung, breast, colon, liver cancer. Best fruit for diabetic patients. Blueberries makes memory sharp, improve digestive system, regulates blood sugar, cholesterol levels. Carrot. Natural sugars make them sweet. Helps improve vision, prevent cancer. Drumstick loaded with minerals and proteins. Purifies blood, cures respiratory problems, enhances sexual health. Eggs. Rich sources of selenium, vitamin D, B6, B12, and minerals such as zinc, iron, and copper. Figs. Contain many vital minerals, vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, includes a variety of antioxidants and omega fatty acids. Grapes, rich in flavonoids, lowers blood pressure, prevents cancer, boosts immune system, purifies blood. Honeydew melon, promoting healthy skin by aiding collagen production and tissue repair, helps in regulating blood pressure. Iceberg lettuce, excellent source of vitamin A, K, and C, contains water and dietary fiber. Very low in saturated fat and cholesterol. Jackfruit-rich source of B-complex group vitamins. Lowers blood pressure, fights cancer, asthma, and anemia. Kiwi fruit. Excellent source of vitamin C, K, copper, and dietary fiber. Promotes heart health, sleep, regulate blood pressure. Lemon-rich source of vitamin C that improves immune system, helps to cure the common cold, obesity. Muskmelon rich in potassium, which helps in regulating the blood pressure. Improves eyesight. Nectarine. Good source of vitamin A and C, which helps the immune system. Promotes heart health, gives immediate energy. Oranges. Promotes heart health, immunity system, lowers cholesterol, rejuvenates skin, and prevents cancer. Papaya-rich sources of antioxidant nutrients such as carotenes, vitamin C, flavonoids, vitamin B, and folate. Quince. Rich source of anti-inflammatory properties, good for weight loss. Treats ulcers, nausea, and vomiting. Raspberries. Promotes brain power, heart health, prevent cancer, control diabetes, improves digestion. Strawberries. Excellent source of antioxidants, vitamin C and manganese, dietary fiber, iodine, and folate. Tomatoes. Prevents cancer, reduces blood pressure, controls diabetes. Improves eye health, skin and hair growth. Ugly fruit. Contains nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and calcium, which are very essential for the body. Victoria plum. Victoria plum. Speeds up metabolism, boosts digestive health, stops premature aging, increases immunity. Watercress. Providing nutrition, boosting immunity, cancer, preventive, and thyroid support. Fights against cancer. Sigua, watermelon. Prevent asthma, cancer. Regulates blood pressure, hydration, improves skin health, digestion. Yam heals. Skin diseases cure respiratory problems, supports female endocrine system, rich source of antioxidants. Zucchini, courgettes. Best source of vitamin A, magnesium, dietary fiber that will keep your body in the best shape for long.